Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best pasta salad. First, selecting the right pasta is crucial. Opt for short, sturdy shapes such as rotini or farfalle. These hold dressing beautifully. Cook your pasta al dente, which means it should still have a slight bite, typically for about 8 to 10 minutes. Immediately after cooking, rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and removes any excess starch, preventing your salad from becoming gummy. This simple step ensures a perfect texture every time. Now, let's talk about the heart of any great pasta salad, the dressing. A classic vinaigrette is often best, combining good quality olive oil, a touch of vinegar, and a spoonful of Dijon mustard for a balanced tang. Don't forget to add fresh herbs like basil, parsley, or dill. They bring incredible freshness and aroma. Remember to season your dressing generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This foundational step truly elevates all the other ingredients. Next, we'll choose our mix-ins to add exciting textures and flavors. Crunchy vegetables are a must. Think vibrant bell peppers, crisp cucumbers, and thinly sliced red onion. For a more substantial salad, consider adding a protein like grilled chicken, crumbled feta cheese, or hearty chickpeas. Small, sweet cherry tomatoes and fresh mozzarella balls are also fantastic additions, providing delightful bursts of flavor and beautiful color throughout your dish. These elements make every bite interesting. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently combine your cooked pasta, dressing, and all your chosen mix-ins in a large bowl. Be careful not to overmix, as this can break the pasta. Once everything is combined, cover the salad and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. For the best experience, serve your pasta salad at a cool room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.